Hi people, and I'm back cooking, and today I'm going to be making a chicken supreme. As you can see, I've got the chicken in. I've got a bit of garlic that I crushed up this morning. So that's all done. I'll just spread that a bit more on the chicken and that's it. And I've got some onions, which is that I also cut up this morning. Not very good though. Just pull some of them apart. So, over there as well. And I'm going to put some parsley. Oh, yes, parsley in. Ooh, a bit too much there. Oh, for God. And now I'm gonna. I've read it, and it does say bacon. So I'm gonna cut bacon up and put the bacon in it. Right, I'm cutting the bacon in chunks, and then I'm going to, when I say in chunks, I mean there's a couple of slices here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut that. And then I'm going to spread it all out. Come on, stop being a... That's it. Get off the scissors, because I'm not going to touch you because you're sharp and you'll cut me. Right, as you can see, it's all cutted up and done nicely. Just got to spread it all out. And it does say to put some cream on it, obviously to make the juice. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour the cream on it like that, go all over, and then I'm going to put it in the oven, and I'm going to... And this is the end product. Now it's for the taste test. It tastes alright. Only thing I can taste really is the chicken. Right, and before I mess it all up like I normally do, there's going to be a link in the description to my to my merchandise. If you like what you see, please keep viewing me. If you want to give me a big old thumbs up, please do. If you want to leave a comment, please feel free, the more the merrier. And if you haven't subscribed, or you know someone who hasn't subscribed, get them subscribing, get yourself subscribing. Thank you, bye.